Yeah, man, we back at it with another video. We are back at it with another video. So what are we going to do today, man? What are we going to do in this video?
We're going to give some tips
how to save money,
how to save money.
How we save
our money.
We're
just going with some, we just kind of sat down and talked about it and thought about, we're like, okay, how do we do that? And I don't know, there's just a lot of things naturally that you do and you could do too, and just help save a little bit of money here and there. Man. Tip number one is we're going with some of our entertainment stuff. So Mario and I, we really like to go to movies.
We love it, man. All the time. Now, it's been kind of slow since the pandemic.
True,
but we have been recently going back to the movies lately, but it's not too much stuff out right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been going. So what we used to do when we used to go to the movies like crazy?
Well, there's a couple different things we would do. First off, I had some friends who clued me in, and I was able to go on advancedscreenings.com and sign up. You know, all the big studios that do, like, they'll do screenings for the movies right before they come out. So it's not always easy to get, but what they'll do is you can sign up, and then they'll like send an email with like a link, and then you have to go in the link and claim tickets. So you have to be fast enough to get them.
Yeah.
And also, even if you get the tickets, you're not guaranteed a seat because they'll give more tickets out than seats they have because they want to make sure they're packing the theater. So, but we've gotten to see quite a few free movies like that.
A bunch of free movies.
And this is, we're talking about before they come out.
Yeah, like maybe like 2 weeks before they even come out.
Sometimes it's like a month before, and sometimes it's like 2 days before, so it just depends. But it's a really good way to save money and still be able to see good movies.
Yeah, and the only thing we had to do was just buy like the food there, you know, at the movie theaters. Well, I mean, we won't buy like...
You don't have to buy anything.
Yeah, we don't have to buy anything. Sometimes we just like eat before we go to the movies.
Yeah.
Because food at the movie theaters be high.
Yeah.
We all know they're high and stuff like that. So if you got like a local, like in your city and state, if you can find out if they do advanced movie screenings, you should check it out. Like I said, they might not be doing it now because of the pandemic, but you should check it out like in the future. You can save money by seeing a free movie.
If you look into your local theaters, a lot of times there will be like programs. So AMC is a nationwide program, and you probably have that. So if you become an AMC Stubs member, which we are, it literally costs me, I think, like $15 for a whole year, which is not that expensive. And you get free rewards, like you get free popcorn and a drink on your birthday. So to me, that's even worth it right there.
Yeah.
And then on Tuesdays, all day, they do discounted prices on their tickets. So for us, I mean, we can get
like
in
$5.
Yeah, it's like
person.
$5 to $6 a person. So that means we can go, and we'll try to go to matinee anyways.
Yeah.
So we can go see a movie on Tuesday for like $12, which is kind of unheard of nowadays in the movie theater.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's actually $5. It's like $5.
It's $5 something.
Yeah, it's $5 something.
Yeah.
So it's under $12, man, for two of us to go see the movies. And that's the only time we go to the movies.
Anymore,
on Tuesday.
it is.
Yeah. On Tuesdays. We always done that. You know?
And the other theater company in our area, Marcus Cinemas, does the same thing where they do $5 Tuesdays. So basically, like, we can have our pick of theaters and movies on Tuesdays and see a movie for $5. So this is an easy way, if you really like to go see movies as entertainment, to really save some money.
I definitely highly recommend it if you want to save some extra money.
So another really easy way to save money, because just like everybody, we love to go out to eat and do other things, especially when we want to have a date night and stuff. Yeah. So one really easy and I think really popular thing to use is Groupon. So it's easy to go into Groupon and you can look at things to do. You can just look at dining. You can look at whatever you're looking to do. I mean, you can even find clothes on there. I have bought Christmas gifts several years off of Groupon. And anyway, so the way I look at it is, if you're going to go out to eat and you're going to spend that money anyways, you can get a Groupon. You may pay like, it depends, they all vary. So maybe you pay $25 for $40 worth of food. So you're saving $15.
That's a deal,
right?
Y'all.
And you may go in and you may still have to pay a little bit of tax and tip and all of that, but basically you're still saving that $15.
About $15,
So you gotta look at it that way. If you're gonna go out to eat anyways, then why not see if there's a Groupon? Or just go to where there is a Groupon, because it's gonna save you a little bit of cash.
Alright, the next one we're gonna talk about is buying things that are used, like special electronics. When I bought my Samsung 4K 50-inch TV, I bought it used, and it was pretty much on display. So I think the original price for it when I first got it was maybe like $500.
Yeah, it was something like that.
Yeah, and on display, I probably saved about maybe $100 just from buying it on display, because it didn't come with no stand at all, I don't think.
Right, it was the store display model. So they had it like hanging and didn't have a stand. So we did have to go on Amazon and buy a cheap stand.
But we
still saved a significant amount.
Yeah,
of money.
we still saved a lot of money and stuff because we could have bought a stand there at Best Buy, but their stands
Theirs
was
were really expensive,
really expensive. So we just went on Amazon and bought like a cheaper stand, and it was like sturdy and I mean, it was perfect. I mean, it's still like keeping our TV up to this day.
Yeah, it
and
works
stuff.
really good. Well, and I like it because it's a swivel stand.
Also, I bought my PlayStation 4 Pro used offline. I went to Amazon and bought it like maybe for, I don't know, I think at the time they was about, I think.
A regular PlayStation was...
No, the PlayStation 4 Pro.
I know.
Yeah, the PlayStation 4 Pro.
Brand new.
Yeah, I bought it. I think brand new was like $399.
Okay.
And I possibly bought it for like maybe like $320, $330.
Was it? I was thinking it was under $300. But anyways.
No. It was about $399, but I
Okay.
bought it for like maybe like $320. I bought it used. Now I know some people don't like buying their stuff used, and I understand that, but you can definitely save money as long as the game still play right. And I haven't had any problems with my PlayStation since I bought it, and I got it last year in 2019. It's still working flawlessly right now.
And the other thing is with your computer and TVs and these kinds of gadgets is you can go on Best Buy or Amazon and you can do like the certified refurbished things, and likely they're going to be quality like fixes on them.
If you want to buy like used electronics to save money, I definitely highly recommend it and stuff. Now I don't buy everything used. Some things I do buy like fresh to do, like my camera, my microphone, my camera lenses, my tripods, my monopod, sound recorders. I bought those all new. But a lot of things I buy used. You know, there's no wrong
it's kind of when you can find one of these big ticket items that are in good condition and used. It's gonna save you a good chunk of change. So why not try it out? So a next good way to save money is more your thing.
My cutting on hair, man. So I've been cutting my hair for a couple of years, and it definitely saved me between $600 to $700 a year.
What?
Now,
really?
I pretty much cut my hair bald, man. I know you can see it. It don't take much to do it. Shape up my beard and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm sure you think to yourself, I don't want to cut my own hair. Yeah, I understand that. You don't want to cut your own hair because you can mess up and you don't want to go to work looking silly and stuff like that. But me, I just took a chance on myself. Yes, the first couple times I did start doing it, I was messing up. But then I got better at it. As I kept cutting my hair and kept cutting it, I got better and better. And then it got to the point where I just started just cutting it bald, try to line myself up a little bit, even though you can't really see it lining, line my beard up, and boom. That's $600 to $700 I am saving, a year, from cutting my own hair. So yeah, man. But you just get your hair cut.
I just get my hair cut. I don't trust myself with long hair, but also to be honest, I only go a couple times a year, so I don't really have
you don't go maybe twice a year, right?
At the most, usually.
Yeah, so we definitely save money. From grooming and stuff like that.
Another good way to save money, because we all have to do this on a regular basis, is with grocery shopping.
Oh yeah.
So what are some of the things that we do to try to save money with our groceries?
Well, we always try to make sure before we go grocery shopping to get the stuff we need, because we don't want to just like get extra stuff that we don't need. We don't want to have like a bunch of wasted stuff in there. So we always get like the same things like chicken, fish, shrimp, veggies. We pretty much eat the same exact stuff all the time. Now sometimes we will switch it up. But we do, get the pretty much the exact same things, and we save a lot of money on just like making sure we ain't wasting anything.
One way this can help you to stay on target with your grocery shopping is just make a list. Like he said, we do have the main core items that we always eat, so it's pretty easiest for us to know like, okay, how much of the meat we need or salad and things like that going in. And then also another easy way to save money with grocery shopping is check out some of your local discount like grocery stores. We do all of our shopping at Aldi's.
Save a lot of money.
And let me tell you, it is crazy eye-opening when I go to one of like the main grocery stores here just to get a few items, and you see people walking out with whole carts, and the amounts they spend on a whole cart there versus the whole cart we get at Aldi's is probably at least twice as much, if not more than that. So, and one thing I will say with Aldi's, I have had no problem with any of their food. All of their quality is great. You may not find everything you need. Like, they don't have all of the personal care items, their shampoos and stuff. So we do have to go to a regular grocery store for a few things here and there. But we are able to get the bulk of our food at Aldi's, which saves us a lot of money.
Yeah, a lot, y'all. Before we go into our last tip, I want you guys to hit the thumbs up button, man. Right now, hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below because it definitely helps with our video getting shown, man. So make sure to smash that thumbs up button.
Yes,
but what's the last one?
Last one is talking about coupons and other discounts. So I'm sure that a lot of you, as us, if you go to places frequently, like I love Chipotle.
Yeah, and I love Panda Express.
And there's, and a lot of those food restaurant chains, as well as your local grocery stores, tend to do rewards programs. So if you just join up, it's usually free to join. Yeah. And if you're going to go there regularly anyways, then why not get the rewards? And then you may get a free entree, or you may get money towards food at the grocery. It doesn't hurt. If you're going in there anyways, use your rewards, because you're just going to get something for it in the long run.
Yeah, man, because every time I go down on Panda Express, I always feel like the survey code when I get home. And I at least... I normally get the 3 entree meal plate, so it costs around like $10. But when I fill out the survey, it normally shaves off like maybe $1 and like 5 cents or something like that. So I save like $1.05. Yeah, it's not that much, but it's still saving some money.
Right. You know? If you were to take that times the amount of times in a year you may go to that place, it's going to add up to a lot more money than you think. Yeah. I have found a lot of times, like even when I've been shopping online for Kohl's for gifts, or like when we went to Chicago and we were looking to do some excursions there. Yeah. I just went online and Googled coupon codes for, and you'd be surprised
the things that pop up,
you can find some 15% off for this or 20% off for that. And some of those did even lead me to Groupon, but still it'll tell you where to go. And that helped me choose like, okay, well, we're going to do this because I have a coupon for it and saving money. So that is a really easy way to save too.
Yeah, man, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let us know some money saving tips that you normally do.
Yeah, what do you have to share with us?
Yeah, again, thumbs the video up. Don't forget to subscribe.
And thumbs it up.
Turn on notifications. It's your Memorial B.
And Nicole.
I'm going to catch you on the next one. Stay awesome. Peace and love, baby.